Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. From the moment we started talking, I knew that I wanted you around. I can't look at you without wanting to kiss you. When I watch you sleep or we are just looking at each other, I feel so grateful that I have a wonderful, loving, sweet and funny boyfriend like you. I love that feeling I get when I see your smile. We go together like cupcake and frosting. You know me so well, inside out. Your deep acceptance of me is what I love most about you. Wherever you are, I am there with you. If someone asks me to describe you in just 2 words, I'd say simply amazing. Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. A kiss is a lovely trick designed by nature to stop speech when words become superfluous. I actually fell for you before I even realized I did. Every day that I am with you, I love you more. Something tells me I am going to love him forever. When our hair becomes grey and our faces get wrinkless, I will still want you around. I have learned not to worry about love, but to honor its coming with all my heart. Hey, the next time I see you, we are going to kiss for a very long time. I love making you laugh because for those few seconds I made you happy, and seeing you happy makes me happy too. May you have enough happiness to make you sweet, enough trials to make you strong, enough sorrow to keep you human, enough hope to make you happy. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.